In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin user to your ActiveCampaign account. This is a really useful skill if you're bringing someone onto your team, working with a contractor, or simply need to share account management responsibilities with another person. Giving someone admin access allows them to help manage automations, lists, billing, and other higher-level settings, so you want to make sure you do it correctly and securely. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon there, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. When the settings area loads, look at the options on the left-hand side and find the one labeled Users and Groups. This is where you control who has access to your account and what they're allowed to do. Click on Users and Groups to open the user management page. On this page, you'll see a list of the people who already have access to your account. To add someone new, look for the option or button that says Add a new user. Go ahead and click that. This will open a form where you can enter the details for the new person you want to invite. Now you'll need to fill in the basic information for this new user. Type in their first name, last name, and email address. Make sure you use an email address they can access because ActiveCampaign will send them an invitation or login details there. It's a good idea to double-check for any typos at this point, since a small mistake in the email can prevent them from receiving access. Next, look for the section labeled Select Groups. This is where you define the role or permission level for this user. From the available options, choose Admin. Assigning the admin group gives this person full administrative rights on the account, so only grant this level of access to people you trust and who actually need that level of control. Once you've confirmed their details and selected the admin group, you're ready to save everything. Look for the button that says either Add or Save and click it. ActiveCampaign will create the user, apply the admin permissions, and send that person an email so they can access the account. And that's it. You've successfully added an admin user to your ActiveCampaign account, and they're now ready to log in and start working.